Welcome back, viewers. You're watching Times Now. I'm Meenakshi Upreti. Thank you, Ankit, for taking us through the headlines. Our top focus this hour is Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, the question rather, Kaun banega the Chief Minister of Delhi? Who will be the next Chief Minister of the national capital? That's the big question which everyone is asking. Remember, after Arvind Kejriwal had announced that he will be resigning in 48 hours and return to office only after the people of Delhi re-elect him in the next elections, Kejriwal says that this would mean an Imandar certificate for him. Aam Aadmi chief decided to meet the Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena today at 4:30 p.m. However, all eyes are on who will be the next Chief Minister of Delhi and that decision which the Aam Aadmi Party will take. AAP Legislative Council meeting is going to happen today as well, and after that meeting we can expect that name to be announced. But Kissa Kursi ka within the Aam Aadmi Party is continuing. The only question that is hovering in the people's mind is that who will be Kejriwal's successor? Will it be Atashi? Will it be Saurabh Bharadwaj? Will it be Gopal Rai? Will it be Mrs. Kejriwal? These front runners are perceived to be quite a lot. There are many front runners, but there's particularly a lot of buzz and speculation around two names. That's Atashi and Mrs. Kejriwal. As Aam Aadmi Party is mulling to choose the next Chief Minister of Delhi, the BJP is already started attacking the Aam Aadmi Party. They are accusing Arvind Kejriwal of trying to push ahead the quote-unquote the Lalu Rabri model and the Sonia Manmohan model. The Saffron Party is also citing the stringent bail conditions of the Supreme Court to basically claim that the Delhi Chief Minister has been compelled to resign. Listen in to this war of words.
उन्होंने पीएसी यानी कि पॉलिटिकल अफेयर्स कमेटी की मीटिंग बुलाई थी, जिसमें पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता और मौजूदा कैबिनेट के सभी मंत्रीगण मौजूद थे। मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने सभी वहां पे मौजूद नेताओं और मंत्रियों से 1 to 1 नए मुख्यमंत्री के विषय में चर्चा की और कल विधायक दल की मीटिंग होगी।
This particular decision of his does not stem out of morality. It actually stems from, I would say, political selfishness. Having said that, if he's very serious about having elections in Delhi, then why did he not dissolve the assembly? He made a categoric statement that the assembly is not being dissolved. He's not serious about having elections in Delhi early. Having said that, of course, the BJP is completely ready.
अब उनको साफ गोई से उनमें से निकलना चाहता, जनता निकलने नहीं देगी। जनता ने सब पहचान लिया है और आने वाले दिल्ली के चुनाव में अरविंद केजरीवाल को भी जितना ठोकना पड़ा जनता को, जनता ठोक।
देखिए, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के साथ जो कुछ पूरे दिल्ली में हुआ, एक चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्री को जेल में रखना, फिर सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने क्या कहा? सीबीआई को कहा कि आप प्रूव करिए खुद को कि आप पिंजरे का तोता नहीं है। ये सीधे सीधे प्रधानमंत्री के चेहरे पर तमाचा है। केजरीवाल जी जो भी फैसला कर रहे हो, दिल्ली में भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कमल नहीं खिलने वाला है।
All right, we have breaking news coming in. The big question, as we were telling you viewers, kaun banega Mukhyamantri? That question remains. A big announcement is likely at noon today. This is an inside scoop from the AAP camp. Sources are telling us that Aam Aadmi Party is going to announce the Chief Minister's name today at 12 p.m. Name is going to be announced after the crucial meet of the Aam Aadmi Party. My colleague Tetri is joining us live on the broadcast. Tetri, over to you. That's the big announcement everyone's waiting for, and now sources telling us that this announcement likely at 12 noon today.
Absolutely, everybody was waiting so as to when will the Chief Minister be announced, and now it is very much clear that the name of new Chief Minister will be announced today at 12 noon. And currently I'm reporting from Arvind Kejriwal's residence itself, and what we are also expecting is that the announcement will be made here itself, and it is highly possible that Arvind Kejriwal, who is going to resign at 4:30 p.m. today, he himself will be making the announcement so as to who will be the new Chief Minister of the national capital for the upcoming few months. As you rightly rightly mentioned, there are several front runners so as to who will be the chief minister. It could be Atishi, it could be Saurabh, it could be Kailash Gehlot, it could be Gopal Rai, and it could be Sunita Kejriwal as well, which is in fact the possibility for that is very low. But yes, keeping all these names in mind, these names will be discussed in the meeting that will be held with the MLAs today, and that particular meeting is all set to be starting at 11 o'clock. And in that particular meeting, the names will be kept forward, and MLAs will be choosing so as to who do they see their leader, and then he will be chosen as the Chief Minister of Delhi. So all eyes on 12 p.m. so as on that particular announcement when the Chief Minister of Delhi will be announced.
All right, Tejashree, stay with us because there is another inside scoop, big details which you all were getting us earlier as well. Sabyasachi is also joining us live. We'll go to Sabyasachi in a bit. But first, let's take our viewers through the inside scoop, exclusively accessed by Times Now viewers. Now, the PAC meeting of the Aam Aadmi Party which was held. What happened in that PAC meeting? We have accessed these details. Remember, the meeting was held yesterday. As per sources, the core agenda was to discuss the appointment of the new Chief Minister. But yesterday was when the primary round of meeting was held, and today a second round of meeting is going to be held with the MLAs. Now, the names which were taken up yesterday, those names will be put forward in the legislative meeting, and one name will be finalized. There is another big scoop from the same meeting. What is that scoop, viewers? That is about the possibility of a cabinet expansion. We can see 2 new cabinet members being inducted in the Delhi government. Also, we could see a Dalit face being included in the new cabinet of the national capital, when of course Aam Aadmi Party does announce the name of the Chief Minister after Arvind Kejriwal. We have Sabyasachi who's continuing to be live with us. Sabyasachi, can you give us more details on the same? What can we expect in the course of next 2 to 3 hours, and also a little more about this cabinet expansion?
Well, absolutely. Yesterday's PAC meeting was extremely crucial, where all the top stakeholders of the AAP party were present at the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Now, in that particular meeting, the name of the next successor of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has been discussed, and the name would now be presented in front of the MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party, where the crucial meeting would begin at around 11:30, where all the MLAs would be present out there along with the cabinet ministers, and finally at around 12 p.m. is the time when the name of the new Chief Minister of the national capital is going to be announced. Now at 4:30, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is expected to go to meet the Lieutenant Governor to tender his resignation. Now, as per the PAC meeting, the sources, as per the party sources, that has confirmed to us that the cabinet is going to see a change. There could be inclusion of leaders from the SC/STs or from the Dalit caste, as Kumar Gautam, who had resigned from the Aam Aadmi Party a few days back, he was one of the cabinet minister. In fact, he has leveled a serious allegation against the party, stating that the SC and STs does not get proper representation when it comes to the cabinet ministers of the party. At this particular point, looking at the allegation that has come in from within the party, and also with the party going ahead for the Haryana polls as well as the national capital polls, the party would see some changes as far as the cabinet post is concerned. New faces from the SC/ST or from the Dalit community will be included in the cabinet list, as well as a women representative would also be there. So these are some of the possible discussion that has taken place in the meeting yesterday, whereas the core focus was on the next successor of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, as the name has been decided and the name would be put forth in front of the MLAs today at around 11:30, and at 12 p.m. is the time when the new Chief Minister's name is going to be announced by the party.
12 p.m. is when we can expect the name of the Chief Minister to be announced by Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, we have a breaking news coming in. That's the reaction which is coming in. Reaction coming in from AAP's Saurabh Bharadwaj. He has said, and I quote him verbatim, he says that on the chair until the elections take place, it will be similar to the way Bharat ruled under Lord Ram. There will be a discussion with the MLAs today, and that the name will be or maybe decided in it. A very interesting statement by Saurabh Bharadwaj. Let's listen in first of all to exactly what he had to say.
कोई मायने नहीं रखती कि कौन आदमी उस मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी पे बैठेगा, क्योंकि मैंडेट अरविंद केजरीवाल का है। जनता ने अरविंद केजरीवाल को चुना है। अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कह दिया कि जब तक जनता मुझे दोबारा नहीं चुनेगी मैं इस कुर्सी पे नहीं बैठूंगा। तो कुर्सी तो अरविंद केजरीवाल की इस 5 साल भी है और आने वाले 5 साल में भी होगी। देखिए, वो मौजूदा मंत्री भी हो सकता है, वो मौजूदा विधायक भी हो सकता है, कोई भी हो सकता है। और कल जो है मुख्यमंत्री जी ने पीएसी के सदस्यों से और मंत्रिमंडल के सदस्यों से लंबी चर्चा की, सबसे अलग अलग चर्चा की, और आज विधायकों से जो है एक चर्चा होगी और हो सकता है कि उस चर्चा के बाद कोई नाम सामने आ जाए।
All right, that's a very interesting statement coming in from the side of Saurabh Bharadwaj, isn't it, Tetri? Saurabh Bharadwaj says it doesn't matter who the chief minister is. End of the day, the mandate is for Arvind Kejriwal. How are we to read this statement by Saurabh Bharadwaj?